In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master meeting management in ClickUp. To get started, log into ClickUp and open the workspace where you manage your meetings. This is your main hub, so starting in the correct workspace helps keep everything organized and ensures your meeting information stays connected to the right team and projects. Once you're inside, navigate to the space where you want your meetings to live. In that space, create a new list and name it Meetings. This gives you a dedicated place to manage everything related to meetings, from scheduling and agendas to notes and follow-up tasks. Keeping it all in one list makes it much easier to stay consistent and find information later. Next, open the meetings list and click Add Task to create your first meeting entry. Enter the meeting name, such as Weekly Team Meeting. Use a clear, recognizable title so anyone on your team can quickly understand what the meeting is for when scanning the list. After that, open the meeting task and set both the start date and the due date to match the date and time of the meeting. This helps ClickUp treat the task like a scheduled event, making it easier to track timing and stay aware of upcoming sessions. Now open the task description and add the meeting agenda. This is where you should enter the topics that need to be discussed. A clear agenda keeps the meeting focused and gives participants a chance to prepare in advance, which can make the conversation more productive. The next step is to assign the relevant team members to the meeting task. This gives them direct access to the meeting details, including the title, timing, and agenda, so everyone stays aligned before the meeting even begins. During or after the meeting, use the task comments section to record important notes, decisions, and key discussion points. This creates a simple running record inside the same task, which is especially helpful when you need to revisit what was agreed on. Then add a checklist to the meeting task and enter each action item that needs to be completed afterward. This is a practical way to turn discussion into next steps without creating confusion. Once the action items are in place, assign the appropriate person to each one. That way, everyone knows exactly who is responsible for what, and accountability becomes much clearer. As work gets done, update the meeting task and its action items. You can also use the task status to track the overall progress of the meeting and any follow-up work that comes from it. Finally, open your meetings list anytime to review upcoming meetings, agendas, notes, decisions, and action items all in one place. This gives you a complete view of your meeting management process and helps you stay organized over time. Thanks for watching.